Welcome to the best picks. The best wood is probably one of the most versatile materials for crafting with your Cricut Maker. From intricate designs to personalized gifts, the possibilities are endless. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right wood for your project? In this video, we'll explore the best wood options for your Cricut Maker, helping you create stunning crafts with precision and ease. Number 5. Cricut 6x12 Basswood Natural. This is a set of 4 basswood pieces, each measuring 12 by 6 inches. It's designed specifically for use with the Cricut Maker and knife blade. The wood is high quality with a tight grain and smooth finish. This ensures a clean cut and a professional look for your projects. It's perfect for a variety of projects. You can use it for models, toys, dollhouses, home decor, shadow boxes, and mixed media art. To use it, place the wood on a strong grip mat. Make sure to tape down all 4 edges to keep it in place while cutting. This wood allows you to create detailed and intricate designs. It is a great choice for anyone looking to add a natural touch to their crafts. This product is easy to use and provides excellent results. It is a great addition to any crafter's collection. What we like? This wood offers a high-quality, smooth finish, perfect for detailed projects. It's ideal for creating models, toys, or home decor. If you are looking for a wood that provides a professional look and feel for your crafts, you should consider this one. What people say. The Cricut Basswood had extremely clean cuts using the default Cricut settings, and the pieces literally popped out with no chipping or splitting on fairly detailed cuts, giraffe and elephant. These work in the Cricut Maker very well, but you will need to do extra passes through the machine. Check your project before taking it out of the machine. It worked great to cut out some flower shapes. This is great wood and I had no issues getting a clean cut with it. Mine was cut through after about 12 passes, so keep your eye on it. Number 4. GDGDSY Basswood Sheets 12 by 12 inch 3mm for DIY. These basswood sheets are crafted from high-quality balsa wood. The smooth and polished surface ensures durability and stability. It's lightweight, making it perfect for precise cuts and designs. Each sheet measures 12 by 12 inches with a thickness of 3 mm. This meets standard requirements for laser woodcutter projects. The precise dimensions minimize waste during crafting. For DIY enthusiasts, it can be used for creating wood ornament blanks and decorative items. These blanks are also perfect for painting and wood burning, catering to a variety of projects. These unfinished wood sheets work seamlessly with wood engravers and laser cutters. Use them as reliable craft wood for all your personalized creations. They are excellent wood blanks for engraving and carving. The sheets are meticulously polished to ensure a flat, smooth surface. These laser engraving blanks guarantee high precision and consistent performance. It elevates your DIY projects with superior woodcraft supplies. What we like? This product is made from premium material and offers versatile applications, from laser cutting to painting. The precise dimensions ensure consistent quality and minimize waste. If you have a variety of projects in mind, from architectural models to decorative items, this is a great choice. What people say. Very uniform, engraves and cuts well. Good shipping too. Package includes 10 sheets of 12 inch by 12 inch square basswood in 2.5 mm thickness. We love making wood crafts. This wood is 12 inch square and allows us to cut some of the larger designs easily. Cuts easily on our laser machine and paints and stains nicely. Came flat and not warped, not many knots will purchase again. Number 3. AIKS Basswood Sheets 8.8 by 8.8 inch for DIY. Introducing these high-quality basswood sheets from AIKS. They are made for creating striking masterpieces. You'll love the even grain and natural color. Each sheet is a square 8.8 inches by 8.8 inches, with a thickness of 1/16 inch. They are cut straight and true to size, without any warping. These sheets are perfect for staining, painting, cutting, engraving, and wood burning. They are versatile for all your creative needs. These basswood sheets are easy to cut with tools like the Cricut Maker or a utility knife. They are also heat resistant, making them suitable for various projects. The package includes 12 pieces of craft plywood sheets. You'll have plenty to meet your daily needs and enjoy the satisfaction of crafting. What we like? This wood features even-grained basswood, making it easy to cut and work with. It's suitable for all skill levels, from beginners to experienced crafters. If you like a wood that is easy to handle and offers a great finish, this is the one for you. What people say. The wood cuts beautifully with the Cricut Maker. I have used it for several projects and it has worked perfectly every time. The wood is a great thickness for the Cricut Maker. Number 2. Basswood Sheets 116x12x8 inch for Cricut Maker. This package includes 5 rectangular basswood sheets. They are perfect for various crafting projects and are ready to use right away. Each sheet measures 300 mm in length, 200 mm in width, and 1.5 mm in thickness. This size is ideal for many crafting needs. The sheets are made of basswood plywood, featuring a natural color and an unpainted surface. This allows you to customize them as you wish. You can easily cut this material using a laser cutter or a utility knife. It's designed to be user-friendly for all your crafting projects. Both sides of the surface are polished smoothly. This provides a clean and refined finish, making it perfect for detailed work. What we like? This product comes in rectangle sheets that are easy to cut with laser or utility knife. Both sides of the surface is polished smoothly. If you are looking for a simple and easy-to-use wood for your Cricut Maker projects, this is a great option. What people say. Their natural color and smooth surface make them perfect for all sorts of projects. I particularly appreciate how easy they are to cut, whether with a laser or a utility knife, allowing me to create intricate designs without much hassle. The basswood cut clean and stained perfectly. Number 1. Unfinished Basswood Sheets 25 PCS, 1/16 thick. These unfinished basswood sheets are ideal for various DIY projects. It's easy to work with due to its soft, fine, and even grain. This makes it a great choice for both beginners and experienced crafters. The basswood sheets have excellent workability and surface quality. You can easily paint, color, and mark on them. It's a versatile material for all your creative needs. The package includes 25 pieces of light wood board. Each board measures about 100 by 150 mm with a thickness of about 1.5 mm. You'll have plenty to bring your ideas to life. You can cut it with ease and precision. The surface is smooth and burr-free, and the edges are neat. This means less sanding and more time creating. These wooden boards are perfect for making models, sculptures, and decorations. They're great for school projects, holiday ornaments, and home decor. The possibilities are endless. What we like? This wood has a soft, even grain that makes it easy to work with, and the edges are burr-free. It is perfect for a wide range of DIY projects, from painting to laser engraving. If you are looking for a versatile wood that is easy to customize, this is the one for you. What people say. Cuts beautifully. Works great with the Cricut Maker. Easy to work with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.